All right, guys. Good evening. My name is Chooks. I'm your chief instructor and forex coach. Today, guys, I want to analyze gold. Okay, for a couple of times now, or a couple of weeks now, I've not done analysis on gold. I've not traded gold because of the volatility and the randomness of the markets. I've not been comfortable with what the market is doing, so I've stayed away from gold. All right, but today I'm going to analyze gold and I will teach you guys how to analyze the market, okay? Of course, you guys know that gold is a commodity, okay? Even though it's traded against the United States dollar, all right? So that is what you should keep at the back of your mind. It is the commodity against the greenback, so you have to be aware of this, okay? And when you're trading a commodity asset like this, you must understand the fundamental perspective that also drives the market, all right? So, guys, first thing first, we're going to do top-down analysis and we're going to look at market structure. Okay. So now, let's start from the weekly time frame. Now, looking at this market from the weekly time frame, you will see that this market is in an uptrend. Okay. How do you know that? Okay. See, this is a higher low. Okay. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. Okay. The market has created a higher low here, okay? But a high has not been created. So there is no higher low. Until there's a higher high, you don't have a higher low, okay? So what this market is currently doing now is that the market is currently revolving around market structure. Let me tell you what I mean. Now, if you look at the peak formations here, okay? If you look at this high, you'll see that this high has been broken. All right? This high has been broken by this high here, okay? So there's a break of market structure, okay? So what we have here now is this. This is the current high, okay? So this high has broken this high, all right? Then we have this low here, okay? This is the higher low, all right? So, and the market has not broken this low, all right? The market has not broken this low. So ultimately, this market is in an uptrend, okay? This market is in an uptrend because what we have here, let me take away this. Okay, so what we have here, I want to teach you guys how to analyze market structure properly, okay? So what we have here is our higher low, okay? Here is our higher low. Okay, this is our higher low here, all right? So let's duplicate this. And this is our higher high. Guys, you're going to take it from the body of the candlestick, okay? You take this from the body of the candlestick, not the wick, okay? This is our high high, okay? So now the market has pulled back to make a higher low, all right? So you have a higher low here, okay? All right, so what the market is doing now is that the market is currently undergoing price action, okay? Or what we call market structure, okay? So the market is in a state of nowhere now. Until a high is created, this cannot be formed, okay? So we're going to delete this, all right? So, but ultimately, when this higher low will be created is when a higher high has been created. And so there's no higher high yet. And so what this market is doing, this market is revolving around market structure, okay? Now, so let me also show you another thing. The highest of the high in recent time here is this structure here, all right? And you can see that this higher high has broken that high, okay? So ultimately what we have on the weekly time frame is a bullish market structure, okay? So let me delete this. It's a bullish market structure. So this market is in an uptrend, okay? On the weekly time frame. So let's drop down to the daily time frame and see what the market is doing. All right, see, guys, this has been consolidated. When you drop down to the daily time frame, you'll see what the market is doing from a better perspective. Okay, so let's look at market structure again. Now, this is the high that the market has what? The market has broken. Okay, see where market broke structure here. Okay, okay, this is the recent high of the market. Okay, so the market has this high has been broken. Okay, by this high here. Okay, So the market is in a is an uptrend, okay? And the high low is here. All right, so this is the high low. So the market is still in an uptrend, okay? Some people may argue that the high low is here, okay? Whichever way you placed it, this market is still what? Is still in an uptrend, okay? The market is still in an uptrend. So this is a higher low and this is a higher high. So what is here? What the market is doing here is market structure, okay? All right, so the daily time frame is in an uptrend, okay? So let's continue. So let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. We want to see what this market is doing from all the major time frames, okay? From all the higher time frames. By the time we determine that, we will now know what direction we're going to be looking at in taking a trade, okay? So this one, what the market is doing here, guys, this is a bit tricky, okay? Now look at what the market is doing here. This market is up here, okay? This market from here is doing a higher low, okay, higher high, okay, higher low, higher high here, okay? Then the market broke structure here. Look at it. The market broke structure here at this point. There is a break of structure to the downside, guys, okay? Here, there's a break of structure to the downside. Look at what I mean, okay? The structure was broken by this low here, okay? Guys, this is market structure, okay? I'll teach you. If you don't know how to do this, just contact me. I'll teach you how to analyze market structure, okay? So here, this low has been broken. So this market has entered a what? A downtrend here. But the uptrend resumed here, okay? But unfortunately, this high has not been taken out. Look at it. This high has not been taken out here, okay? This high has not been taken out. So this market is ultimately in a downtrend, okay? Now, if you look at what it may be difficult for some people to understand this, but I'll tell you that the market has did this. Okay, let's say this is the high low. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, then the market started trending down again. Okay, started trending down, but structure. Let's see if structure had been broken here. Let's see, structure has not been broken. Okay, now for structure to be broken to the downside, this candlestick must close. Okay, and for me, for me, I want to see by 12 midnight. Okay, I want to see what will happen to this candlestick here. All right, so ultimately, guys, I will tell you that this market is in a downtrend. Do you know why? Because this highest high here has not been broken by this high, okay? So the market still needs to pull down a little bit. This is lower high, lower low, okay? Lower high, and it's coming to create a lower low, okay? Until this candlestick closes, we don't know how far this market will go. Or we call this area, or we call what is happening here market structure, okay? Whatever is happening here is market structure, all right? So guys, we have two market structure in sync, okay? So if we have two market structure in sync, then I will look for a buy opportunity in this market, all right? So now let's drop down to weekly time frame to take our levels, okay? Let's take our levels. That's our areas of interest from the weekly time frame. Now let's delete all these guys, okay? All right, so what we do now is this. Let's take our levels, okay? What we call support and resistance, okay? Let's take our levels. All right, so we take our levels from this structure perspective. Make sure that the line touches the body of your candlestick at some point, okay? So I'm going to drag this down a little bit for it to touch the body here, okay? All right, I want to make this, let me bring this one down here, okay? This is swing point, swing point, swing point here, guys, okay? We can take it down a little bit, or swing point here, swing point here, so I'm good, okay? So I can change the color here. I can give this a color, okay? I can give it a color and a feel. All right, let's give it a feel. Okay, let's give this a feel. Okay, give this a feel as well. All right, yellow, give it a feel. Okay, all right, so these are my levels, okay, from the weekly time frame. So let's drop down to the daily time frame to see what the market is doing as well. Okay, so we will drop down to the daily time frame. You can see the market is still respecting structure. Okay, still respecting structure. For me, I think I will leave it the way it is here, but I think there's an intermediate level here we can consider. Here. Okay, I want my chart to be very clean, so I don't want to crowd it with levels. Okay, these two levels are okay for me. Okay, so at the moment the market is respecting structure and it's pulling down. Okay, even though I'm looking for a buy opportunity in this market, if we see a considerable um, s- change of character in the market, we can also pursue it. Okay, we can also pursue a change of character in the market. Okay, so let's see what other thing we can do here when we zoom out on this chart. Let's see whether we can find other levels that the market will respect. Okay, all right, so you can see that the market will respect this level. Okay, so let's duplicate this here at this point. All right, and at this point. Okay, fine. So the market still has potential to push up to this level, but the distance is not much, so I may not worry about it. Okay, I may not worry about it. Okay, so this is what we have on the daily time frame. So let's drop to the 4-hour time frame and see what the market is doing. Okay, the market has respected structure and is pushing down. For me, it has created a double top here, okay, or a triple top, okay, whichever way you want to call it. It's a top reversal candlestick pattern, okay, chart pattern rather. So this market is pushing down. The market is pushing down. Okay, let's see if there are structures we can mark out on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I think we can. I think the market should be able to respect some levels here. Okay. Um, let's see what we can do here. This is the stock swing point, swing point. Okay, swing point. Okay, fine. Let's see if we can do this. If this market this level. Okay. Okay. So let's just zoom in and be sure that we've captured the body of the candlestick. Okay. Touch. Good. Fantastic. So okay, perfect. I like these levels. Okay. All right. So guys, let's see where we can begin to look for trading opportunity in this market. Okay, let's see where we can start looking for trading opportunity. All right. All right. Okay, so this is where we are now. So this market is trying to push down here. When it push down here, this is our area of interest. Okay, then we'll begin to look for opportunity. Okay, and some people will argue that what about this range structure here? Okay, is there any opportunity in this range structure? There may be an opportunity, okay? But if you like to trade range, you can trade it. But if you don't know how to trade range pattern, you just stay away from it. But let me show you where the range pattern exists here, okay? This is where the market is ranging, okay? So you have to wait for price to break out of this range. Otherwise, wait for price to break out of this range, okay? Okay, so this is what we have, okay? So market will come to test here, this level, okay? Break out of the range and you look for opportunity to take it to the upside, okay? Or you wait for it to break to the upside, then you look for opportunity to buy the commodity, okay? All right. So for me, I'll wait for the price to break out. I wait for price to break out of this range, okay? Wait for price to break out of this range, okay? Come back to retest it, okay? And I look for an opportunity to buy, okay? So that's what I will do, guys, okay? That's how I'm going to trade this market. All right, I'll wait for a structure like this to happen. I'll trade it to the upside. Okay. Okay. So guys, I hope you understand all this. Okay. So I'll ignore this because for me, this is a level of nowhere. Okay. This is the destination of nowhere. All right. I could trade it. I could deploy several other strategies to trade this market, guys. It depends on how experienced you are. Okay. If the market drops down to this level and prints a pattern, okay, I will take it to the upside. So I will be looking for a long opportunity when market comes to this level, okay? Like here, you can see this is a bullish engulfing. The market went up, boom. Okay? Look at what happened here. Okay, this is an inside back candlestick pattern, bearish reversal pattern, okay? The market is going down here, but I don't want to short this market. I want to buy at a discount, okay? So I wait for price to get to this level and I look for opportunity to take it to the upside, okay? So guys, that's what we're looking at here. So we can actually, do this, okay? Wait for market to come to this level, trade it to the upside, wait for it to break the structure level, come to retest it, and we take it to the next structure level, guys, okay? So this is how you trade, guys, okay? So you need to be careful and understand how to trade the market, okay? So let's mark up our chart properly. Okay, this is my area of of interest. Okay, support level. Okay, okay, so this is my area of interest support level. Okay, all right, so this is my support level. Okay, so let me duplicate this, my area of interest resistance level. Okay, okay, resistance level, resistance level. Okay, all right, so okay, so this is how you mark up your chart, guys. Okay, I know that anywhere, anytime price approaches these levels, you begin to look for opportunity. Okay, this is also an area of interest, guy. Okay, here is also an area of interest. Okay, area of interest. Okay, so um, this area of interest is it's on the is on the 4 hour. Okay, it's on the 4 hour. Okay, so we mark it appropriately. This on the 4 hour. Okay, even though it's a higher time frame, but these levels are stronger. Okay. All right. So guys, this is what we're going to do in gold. Okay. So guys, to sum it up, this market is at the moment, nowhere to trade. Okay. You wait for it to drop down to structure level. Okay. Okay. Two things could happen. The structure, it could be here. It could drop down to this level, or it will stop at this intermediate mid-term range. Okay. Okay. So, guys, this is what I think this market will do in the coming days. This is a 4 hour chart. So be careful, okay, because the market can move very fast, okay? So let's say come the London session, we begin to look for opportunity to trade, or the New York session, we look for opportunity to trade gold off these levels, okay? So we're going to trade support and resistance levels, okay, in this market, okay? So guys, that's how we trade forex. Okay, that's how we trade forex, commodities, and other metals. Okay, so I hope this tutorial has helped. If there's anything you think I should explain to you further, please, guys, don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be glad to do that. Okay, so guys, thank you very much, and I hope this video has taught you a lot now. Okay, take care and have a blessed day. Bye bye.